Hi, I'm Ishwar from Techpragna. Welcome to Android mobile application development. Android is an operating system specifically built for mobile devices such as smartphones, smartwatches, smart tablets, and also some automotive devices we may be seeing in cars and some other systems. Android is an open source Linux based operating system specifically for mobile devices, and also the interface which involves in building these applications for Android OS. So we'll be dealing with Java. There are so many versions involved in Android. First, when Android was introduced in 2007, it was alpha, then it was developed into a beta version. From then, it followed in naming sequence with alphabetical order and also a desert name. Here, first the name was introduced as Cupcake, then we called it as Donut, and until now it followed an alphabetical sequence. After Pi, the name of it is, like we are calling it with the alphabetical sequence itself, Android Q, which is the 10th version, Android R, which is the latest version, which is introduced in the year 2020, which we are using right now. When you are pursuing a career in Android domain, as almost 73% of the mobile market is running on Android OS, there are so much opportunities for you to build applications. You might have familiar with the social media applications, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat, which are booming right now, which are under so much impact on this society. And also there are so much contributions involved in these applications. If you are pursuing a career in Android domain, as the mobile market is so huge, it will be reliable for you to pursue this career and you can build your applications through this platform. We'll be using an IDE, which is Android Studios, the native way of building your mobile applications for Android OS. There is some prerequisites for you to build and run your IDE in your machine. These are the skills you will be learning through this course: Android app development, Android architecture, animation, expanding your user experience. Android app development is the process of building your application to provide some features to your Android through your Android OS. The architecture is the structure that you will be following to build your applications. User interface is the flashy thing to attract your user. You will be designing the front end part. User experience, which we generally call it as UX, is the experience that you will be providing for your user to make it interactive and smooth. So there are predefined formats in which you can check your user experience and UX through Google Material Designs. These are the designs directly from Google. These are the prerequisites we need to know, like before going for this course: core Java knowledge, minimum understanding about analysis, and if you own a PC or laptop, make sure like you have minimal configuration of 8 GB RAM and 2 GB of minimal disk space, and also the screen resolution, it should be 1080 by 800 or more. Then it will be reliable and you can run your Android Studios to build your native applications and you can proceed further. So make sure to reach this requirement, and we'll see you in the main class. Thank you.